Hello there, baking buddies! We're whipping up a batch of decadent gluten-free brownies that are so rich and chocolatey, even the most devoted gluten-loving brownie fans won't be able to tell the difference. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. Now grab your apron and let's get baking. First, add the melted butter, then the coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is a better option than white sugar because it has a lower glycemic index than white sugar, which means it causes a slower rise in blood sugar levels. Plus, it has a slight caramel-like flavor which is perfect in this recipe. Now add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix until fully combined. I hope you're taking notes because this is a recipe you'll definitely want to make again and again. I'll have the recipe in the description too. Add the 2 eggs and mix again. These gluten-free brownies are so easy to make and great to whip up when you have company coming over. Or if you have a hungry sweet tooth like me and just need something chocolatey quick. Now you can add in the King Arthur Gluten-Free flour, along with half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix just until combined. Now for the final ingredient, half a cup chocolate chips. Mix those in gently, then get your 8x8 baking pan ready. Spray the pan with cooking spray or line with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the pan and smooth with a spoon or spatula. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with just a few moist crumbs. Once they're baked, let the brownies cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Cut them into squares and voila! Your gluten-free brownies are ready to enjoy. You need this comforting and satisfying sweet treat today. It has a deep, intense chocolate flavor with a slightly crisp top and soft, cakey interior. The rich, melt-in-your-mouth quality makes them irresistible. Thanks for baking with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Comment below if you try this recipe and let me know what you think. Happy baking!